My name is Wade Foster. I am a program coordinator and automotive professor here in the Transportation Department. The new program is our Electrified Vehicle Service and Repair program. This program is unique in that it's a hybrid mix of online training as well as intensive hands-on training. We have a couple of different pathways people can take either in the automotive or the truck and coach field, which are called Motive Power Technician with an automotive discipline or a Motive Power Technician diesel and truck. We also have our Automotive Service Technician Apprenticeship, Truck and Coach Apprenticeship, and our General Motors Apprenticeship Service Educational Program, and we'll give them the accreditation required to enter the Electrified Vehicle Service and Repair Program. This program is targeted at anybody who is looking to upskill from their current foundational knowledge. This is really intended for those people to try to explore what the automotive industry is moving towards with the push towards electrified and hybrid vehicles, learn the technologies that are incorporated into these vehicles, and all of the specialized servicing techniques required to safely service these vehicles.